The playful world of pandas. Charming creatures of the forest. Imagine a creature that spends most of its day sleeping and eating bamboo. This is the life of the panda. But there is so much more to these black and white bears than meets the eye. Have you ever wondered how their playful nature makes them both fascinating and unique? Let's explore this incredible world together. A bamboo buffet. Pandas are known for their love of bamboo. In fact, they spend nearly 12 hours a day eating it. They have a special digestive system that is not really well suited for bamboo, but works hard anyway. With their strong jaws and teeth, pandas can crush tough bamboo stalks with ease. But did you know that pandas are technically classified as carnivores? Their bodies are built like meat-eating animals, yet they have chosen a vegetarian diet. This makes them quite unique in the animal kingdom. What other surprising facts can we learn about their diet? Playful personalities. Pandas have a reputation for being playful. They love to climb trees, roll around, and play with each other. Watching young pandas play is a delightful sight. They tumble and wrestle, showing off their playful personalities. Their play is not just for fun. It helps them develop important skills they will need as adults. Pandas are solitary animals, yet they are social when they are young. This playful nature is crucial for building bonds with their siblings. Isn't it interesting that playtime is so important for their future? Secret language of pandas. Did you know that pandas communicate using sounds? They make a variety of noises to express different feelings. For example, a soft bleat can mean they are happy, while a loud bark signals danger. This unique language allows them to share their emotions with others. In addition to sounds, pandas also use scent marking to communicate. They have scent glands that help them leave messages for other pandas. This is how they establish their territory and find mates. Their secret language is still a mystery to many researchers. What other secrets might they hold? Mysterious mating rituals. Panda mating is a complex process filled with mystery. Female pandas have a very short breeding window of only about 2 to 3 days each year. During this time, males and females must find each other, which can be quite a challenge in the dense bamboo forests. What's fascinating is that male pandas may travel great distances to locate a female. If they succeed in attracting a potential partner, they must impress her with various displays of strength and agility. Despite this effort, many male pandas will never get to mate. This strange romantic dance is a key part of panda life. What do you think about their unusual way of finding love? The gentle giant's habitat. Pandas are native to the cool and misty mountains of China, where they can find their beloved bamboo. This rich environment supports their lifestyle, giving them plenty of food to eat. However, their habitat is under constant threat due to deforestation and other human activities. To protect these gentle giants, conservation efforts have been established. Reserves are created to ensure their survival, and these places often become eco-tourism spots. People wish to see pandas in their natural environment. It's amazing to think that these initiatives can help save an entire species. Pandas and their symbolic value. Pandas hold a special place in the hearts of many people around the world. They are a symbol of peace and conservation, representing the importance of protecting our natural environment. When you see a panda, it brings a smile to your face, doesn't it? However, many do not realize that the panda's gentle image hides a fierce survival instinct. They may look cute, but they can defend themselves against threats. This duality adds to their charm and mystique. How do you feel about animals that seem gentle but possess a fierce side? Lifespan and behavior. In the wild, pandas live about 15 to 20 years, but they can live much longer in captivity. Some have been known to live over 30 years. Their life in the wild is challenging, and many factors can affect their survival, including food availability and habitat loss. They are mostly inactive, but become agile climbers when they need to escape danger or find food. This capability often surprises people, who may assume that their large size means they are clumsy. In truth, they are quite graceful. Isn't that a fascinating contrast? Contributions to science and culture. Pandas have also played an important role in scientific research. Studies on panda behavior and genetics are helping conservationists find new ways to protect them. More knowledge leads to more effective strategies for saving them from extinction. Additionally, pandas have become cultural icons. They are featured in art, movies, and even children's books, inspiring people of all ages. Their influence goes far beyond their natural habitat. It's wonderful to think how one animal can connect so many people and cultures. Final thoughts on pandas. Pandas truly have a life that seems fun and delightful. They remind us of the importance of protecting our environment and preserving the beauty of nature. Whether they're playing in the trees, communicating with each other, or eating their favorite bamboo, they capture our hearts. As we learn more about these amazing animals, we can help ensure that they continue to thrive for generations to come. Their playful spirit teaches us about joy and resilience in the face of challenges. What lessons do you think we can learn from pandas? What do you find most fascinating about pandas and their playful nature?